my beautiful people. Bo guys. Ubonakele ugogo Maweni nomuntu wakhe indoda yakhe after abantu they were busy trashing him ukuthi hayi uyajwala loyo ujwala nosisi wephondo basho ugogo Sikhotheni. Hey, they were dragging things there on social media. Oh yeah, they were seen shopping for the twins. Ngoba I think it's a good thing guys, buy need leyanto, you know, yena nomuntu wakhe just to bond and be buying stuff for their children. After now ugogo Maweni bathi uyewasho ukuthi hayi nami ngachitha, we actually both cheated. Guys, yazi those are relationships khathala wena. Ubhizi indaba zabantu noma relationships abo ukubona. Ngapha ngikhumbula ngisindaba kaMabonga ukuthi umncwabo actually was postponed to this coming weekend. Nakhona sazi we not sure. Kuthiwa manje imali iyashoda. Guys, ishoda kanjani imali kade wena wenza into engaka uyi-debt collector, wenza ne-money laundering, wenza all sorts of things nje ezingekho right elifini. Ngoba kuthiwa futhi ubaby iyahajeke nemoto. Yes, mangabe ungakhokhi alande yena, actually babelanda yena at the clubs bathi wazuzosilandela ubani uthathe imoto yakhe or whatever. Bathi ayithathe imoto zabantu angayibuyisi, ayidayise aziqise, umngeleze hambise kuMozambique. Guys, stuff he was doing. Umzulu MacG last week uthini saka hamba. Good riddance. Cabanga guys. He didn't even care ukuthi ushonile umntana abantu ngobani. This is the same guy wathi bekhuluma indaba zakhe bono MacG, bekhuluma indaba zakhe on social media. Wathi mina no MacG le nto usifakile ngami ngoba ungazi, ngicela ukuthi uyehlise lapho ku social media uyibeke phansi kanje, wazi mina ngizokhahlela wena. Imagine guys. So MacG last week say, "Oh, good riddance. Uhambile ushonile." Akashona impela ke lo. In fact loyo yena umuntu ofanele ahambe la emhlabeni angekho right. Imagine. It turns out ke uMamkhize ke naye ke ufake 10,000 wa donate. Oh, just like I was saying. Asi nawe uneyinkinga zakho. Uhamba ufakana no 10,000. ISARS now ngayo ibhizi ngaphi ISARS is busy with you. Now busy uhamba uthatha your last whatever and put it there. Mina ngeke. Kuthiwa kube se donate kuthiwa nje ama donations maningi. I'm just like you are the same person who was in Sandton. Usukela abantu uhamba nambodyguard akho. But manje asakwazi ukungcwaba. There's something there. I'm just not sure what it is. And uyakhumbula on the video before this one I did mention ukuthi uAmy, yamkhumbula uAmy lo kwi Real Housewives of Durban was actually married to Mabonga. So uSiphamandla bathi in a way umsizile uAmy waletha amaphepha omshado wathi lalelani imani indoda yami phela lengisashade nayo izozingcwatshe this coming weekend. Actually umsize kuyi embarrassment ukuthi abe embarrassed ukuthi ene akho mali yokumncwaba. And apparently uma kaMabonga uhlala endlini etshekile because uMabonga azange azamakhele indlu. Guys, yazini kuningi azange azamakhele indlu and nje it's not looking good. Ayikho imali yokumncwaba. Kubi. Ngapha nayo uMamkhize is holding on to Royal AM. Like, I don't understand why can't you just let it go? I-auction ihambe iye kwabanye abantu. Chances are when you let it go, other opportunities can actually open up. Ukwazi ukwenza amanye ama businesses. You're holding on like there's nothing there to hold on to, you know? So Royal AM was actually auctioned on Friday the 14th. They were supposed to tell us who bought it. So we are waiting. At the auction period, there was bidding there. People were bidding. Ngiphethe 21 million mina, ngiphethe 10 rand mina, ngiphethe 22 million, ngiphethe 2 million mina. So it was actually auctioned kwaphela kanjalo ke ngoMamkhize esasuthi bobambelele ku Royal AM. And sometimes some things you need to just let go.